Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into some valuable advice for English Studies University students. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to enhance your language skills, this video is packed with tips to help you succeed. So let's get started. Tip number 1, set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve in your English studies. Whether it's improving your speaking skills, acing exams, or preparing for future career opportunities, setting specific goals will give you a sense of direction and motivation. Tip number 2, practice consistently. English is a language that requires regular practice to develop fluency and proficiency. Dedicate time each day to read, write, listen, and speak in English. Embrace opportunities to immerse yourself in the language, such as watching movies, reading, or engaging with English-speaking community. Tip number 3, seek feedback and guidance. Don't be afraid to ask for help from your teachers, language partners, or even online communities. Getting feedback on your language skills can help you identify areas for improvement and fine-tune your language abilities. Tip number 4, create a supportive learning environment. Surround yourself with English resources, and create a study space that inspires you. Use online platforms, language apps, and educational materials to enhance your learning experience. Tip number 5, stay motivated and celebrate progress. Learning a language takes time and effort, so it's important to stay positive and motivated. Also, celebrate small victories along the way, such as mastering a difficult grammar rule or successfully expressing yourself in English. Tip number 6, embrace cultural immersion. Language and culture go hand in hand. Explore English-speaking cultures, traditions, and customs. This will not only deepen your understanding of the language, but also broaden your horizons and develop your intercultural competence. Tip number 7, make use of technology. Take advantage of language learning apps, online courses, and interactive resources that can supplement your studies. Technology provides a wide range of tools and resources to support your language learning journey. And there you have it, 7 valuable tips for English Studies University students. Your dedication and effort will pay off. Thank you for watching this video. Please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe or give a thumbs up to this video. This is the only way we communicate to each other. This is the only way that I know you are interested in such content. You hit the subscribe button or like button, or you comment below, that we can stay connected to each other. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.